Welcome back to ProFix, where you post your home and office repairs and get matched to contractors that can get your job fixed. On this episode of ProFix, this homeowner was seeking a handyman to assemble a coffee side table. Here, the handyman starts with reviewing the instructions and organizing the screws and parts. Next, the tools are obtained and the assembly of the base and first side are screwed together with the L bracket. Next, the remaining sides are assembled and fastened with the remaining L brackets and screws. Next, the unit is flipped over, the dowel pins installed, and the top piece assembled and screwed down. Here we see the door and door pins installed. Now the homeowner can enjoy their new end table. Download the ProFix app on your phone store or visit profix.com and get your next repair job fixed by using the ProFix app today.
Have home or office repairs that just can't wait? The fix is in with ProFix, a free, easy-to-use app. Simply post a photo of the repair needed and ProFix will quickly match local contractors to bid on your repair. Download ProFix for your phone today and get it fixed.